Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Mohammed Hassan and today we have another scent or attar oil from Swiss Arabian that is called Jamila. Jamila is actually, it means beautiful for ladies. Jamil or Jamal is actually the beauty. So mostly men, they have names like Jamal. Jamal means beautiful for men. Jamila means beautiful or pretty for a woman. So let's try this oil. I think this is for women. Let's see how it actually evolves. I am going to use my wrist, and this is the last oil I will review today because my hands are full. This is the fourth one. So let's apply it on my right wrist. Let's use a bit more. Jamila from Swiss Arabian. Fresh, a bit soapy, sparkling kind of vibe. Blue oceanic. So it is reminding me some of the blue or fresh soap bars I have used. They are mostly like showing some of the streams or some water, sparkling water. Yes, it is really soapy, not in a kind of very damp soapy, but it is fresh blue soap. Refreshing. I didn't like it much because it is very common in most of the I would say most of the high-end soaps. Some of the companies like Fa, they have a blue soap bar. I would show it somewhere over here. It is very similar to this one, Jamila. Yellow, blue, green, mostly bluish, fresh kind of vibe, like water or like just coming out of the shower, that kind of smell. But it's a nice one. It is evolving into something more yellowish blue kind of thing. Sparkling blue, a bit soapy, a bit like of yellow herbs or yellow leaves somewhere in the water, fresh blue water, something like that. This is how I would describe it. Yes, it is sweet, soapy, blue, yellow, blue like ocean or maybe some fresh blue water, and I would say just came out of the shower kind of smell. I have smelled some of the soaps like this one. So this is not very unique. This is Jamila from Swiss Arabian. I would rate it again 5 out of 10. It's my personal choice. Now it is evolving in a bit better because the blue oceanic soapy kind of vibe is getting in the background. It is more like yellow floral kind of thing. I think this is its heart or maybe base. But personally, I think it is not very unique, very common kind of scent profile. Blue, fresh, soapy, yellow with some sparkling or freshness. Just came after the shower. That is all I would say. I would not repeat it again. So this is my review about Jamila from Swiss Arabian. I hope you have enjoyed and liked this video. Make sure you subscribe my channel for more videos like this. I will keep on telling the truths about the scents, whatever I feel. Maybe your feeling might be different, but this is how I feel. Most of the YouTubers I have seen that they don't say that I dislike it or I hate it. I think I'm different. I think you should show your choices or share your choices, share your thoughts without any lies. You should directly tell others that this is what you think. So this is what I think about Jamila from Swiss Arabian. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video, and write your comments on thoughts in the comment section below. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.